Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are taking you on a flavor packed journey to the heart of India. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a dish that's as rich and complex as its story. Kaala Mutton Curry. Kala, meaning black in Hindi, hints at the deep dark color this curry achieves. It's not just a color, it's a symphony of flavors that will transport you to the streets of India. Imagine tender mutton, slow cooked to perfection, but in a velvety aromatic gravy, bursting with the warmth of spices. This isn't just a recipe, it's a culinary tradition. We'll uncover the secrets behind the perfect blend of spices, the art of marinating the mutton, and the technique for achieving that rich dark gravy. So grab your aprons, gather all your ingredients, and let's embark on this culinary adventure together. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will be craving a plate of this authentic Kaala Mutton curry. So now let's begin. So first take a mixer jar. Add 10 garlic cloves. Add 2-inch ginger. Half cup coriander leaves along with the stems. Then add 3 tablespoons water and blend this to a smooth paste. So the paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside. Then take 750 grams mutton cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/3 cup yogurt or curd. Then add the green masala paste. And give this a nice mix. And marinate this for about 2 hours. Then in a hot pan add 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, 3 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 2 bay leaves, 10 black peppercorns, 4 cloves, 1 mace spice, 1 black cardamom, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, and dry roast it until it is nice and light brown. Make sure it is something like this. Then take a mixer jar and simply add all the dry roasted spices. Then blend this to a fine powder. So the masala powder is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then take 1 coconut and cook it on the wire rack straight on the fire until it gets nice and black. Do exactly how it is shown. Then simply turn it around and do the same on the other side. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside. Then take 4 onions cut 1 by 4 and cook it until it is nice and black. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside. Then take 3 green chilies and do the same. Cook it until it is nice and black. Then leave this aside. Then roughly chop the coconut and add it to the mixer jar. Then remove the stem of green chili and add it to the blender. Also add the onion and add 1 cup water, and then blend this to a smooth paste. So the black masala is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside. Then in a hot pan add 3 tablespoons mustard oil. Add the marinated mutton. And fry this for about 2 minutes. Then cover it and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure the mutton is something like this. Then give this a nice mix. Then add the black masala paste. And give this a nice mix. As you can see, the curry is getting a nice and black color. Then add half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 cups water. Add some salt to taste and give this a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then give this a nice mix. Then add the masala powder which was previously made and add 2 tablespoons ghee. And cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Let the masala cook nicely in the gravy. Then add 1 stock cube and give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the oil separates, something like this, and then give this a final mix. This Kaala Mutton curry smells so delicious and you will absolutely love it. If you haven't tried this recipe at home, then please do try this recipe. You will absolutely love the flavor of this curry and it will be one of your favorite curries. And there you have it guys, a rich flavorful Kaala Mutton curry. This dish is a testament to the magic of Indian cuisine. It's perfect served with some warm fluffy white rice or naan. Remember, the key to great curry is patience and attention to details. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious content. Let me know in the comments if you tried this recipe and how it turned out. Also do share my recipes with your friends and families so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. Also do subscribe to my channel and please hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.